In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create 2 Telegram accounts on one phone. So let's just get straight into the video. You can create 2 or more Telegram accounts on one phone by simply using the Add Account feature within the application. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Telegram application. First, simply go ahead and log in into your account. Let me just go ahead and do so. Once you've logged in, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the settings icon right over here, and then simply go ahead and select your mobile number and then click on add account. It is as simple as that. If you don't find it here, you can simply go ahead and do it on the browser of your phone, but the best way to do it on an iPhone is going to be by simply tapping on your settings and then tapping on your profile picture, clicking on edit in the top right, and then simply clicking on add another account. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.